Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and pretty much what it is a power strip. But before we talk more about the product, let's actually unbox it and show you guys what it is and what it looks like first. So right out the bat, when you open the package, they give you an instruction guide and user manual on how to use the product. They provide you a cable that's attached to the actual product itself. You have a plug to actually plug it on the wall. And then here is the actual plug itself. So there's 3 of these plugs and 3 USB. This is the power switch to turn it off and on. So on the user manual, there's a QR code where you actually scan it to actually download the app. And the app they actually use is called Smart Life. So pretty much how the switch works is that once you plug it in, you guys can actually control the setting on turning all these on and off. And you guys can actually link it to the Amazon Alexa or Google Home device. And then you guys can control that as well. But first thing first, let's actually go plug it in and show us what I mean, and then come back and talk about the product. So here we have the product, and this is what the app actually looks like. So we're gonna add the product. So you guys wanna make sure it's blinking rapidly here first. If not, then you guys wanna make sure that is the case first. So press and hold it down first, so it can do that. Alright, so now it's blinking rapidly, and you guys can confirm it. Alright, so as you can see, we have added the device successfully, and we're gonna change the name. Let's use this one, complete. And then you guys can see, you guys can control all of it right here. So each individual switch, you guys can change it as well. So you guys can turn all of it off if you guys want to, or turn it all back on once. If you want to turn just 1 off, or 2 off, or 3 off, you guys can do that as well. So it's very convenient that you guys can control all this, and then you guys can actually connect this onto the Alexa app, which I'll do that right now. So now we're on the Alexa device, and we're gonna find the other device. So it's gonna do discover now, and then just let it find itself. Alright, so we just discovered 3 devices. Switch 1, 2, 3, exactly just like the other product. Set up the device, and then all done. So you're all done now. Now let's give it a try. Alexa, turn on switch 1. Alexa, turn off switch 1. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product. You guys can see exactly what I meant by controlling everything and how it works. It actually works really well with the app and even with the Alexa device, which is really nice. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, it costs around $25, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it? If you guys want a plug that you guys can actually control each one on app or on Alexa or on Google Home, then this product is actually really worth it. If you guys need more plugs than this, then you guys actually buy 2 of these, or you guys can buy a different one that has more of them that can control it as well. Because there are definitely other brands out there that has more plugs than this. But if 3 of these and 3 USB is enough for you, then this product is actually really worth it. But like I say in all my videos, you guys don't have to buy this if you guys don't need it. It's only if you actually need it, or if you guys plan on using a lot, then it's actually really worth it. Like I have another one that I tested in the past that I believe is very similar to this one, and that one I've been using almost every single day, and it's really nice because I can actually control it on the app before I leave the house, so I can turn off any power, so it won't actually cause a fire or anything within the house after I leave the house and whatnot. So it's very convenient, and it's very nice to have one if you actually can afford one, and if you guys actually plan on using it a lot. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have